In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save stories, reels, videos, posts, anything from Instagram using the Instore app on your phone. What you need to do first is go to the App Store and then on search type Instore. Then you'll see the first option which says Instore Story Saver. Click on it and the first one is this one. I've already downloaded it, so you can download it. But after that, when you go to the main menu, click on the app and you see this menu right here. It will give you an ad. Just click continue to the app on top. And then you see this and you see paste URL here. Now, what you need to do is go to the Instagram app and choose whatever you want to download. You want to download a post, a story, a reel, it doesn't really matter. Let's do it with a story. So, I'm just gonna turn off with story, three dots on top and then click copy link. After that, you go back to the Instore app and paste it using this pink button on the right side and click allow paste. Now you'll see an ad again. Continue to the app on top and then click on repost. Now it will give you an ad, but after
Just
that
be a
it will
pop
give
star.
you this option, save video
Be
from
Jocelyn.
Focus,
This is who I want to be right now.
Go to the gallery. You see that the video is saved with the sound on, and you can do this with basically anything on Instagram. You can do it with posts just by clicking on the three dots and then clicking link, so the link is copied. Now we can go back to the app, and after all of those ads you can just paste the link again, repost and wait and download the images. In this case there are two. So that's basically how to use the Instore app to download pretty much anything on Instagram. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.